Any type of mindfulness practice I do and try, my body reacts by me yawning. How can I negate or surpass this problem? First of all, there are two things there. Normally, this is caused by your energy being readjusted. You focus on your energy, you focus on the information in the energy field, and many times the yawning comes as a cleansing, as a recognition that there is something present there, and automatically we start emitting energies. When we yawn, because of energy, not because you are asleep, right? You yawn when you are about to sleep. No. But when is it that we yawn just because we are asleep? Very, very rarely. Most of the time, it's related with how awake we are. And for people who are sensitive in terms of energy, most of the time when they yawn, it means some interference in their energy field. So let's even say you are doing velo. If you have my book, you can look for yawning there. You will find a great description of many different things there. But let's say you are doing velo, the velo technique, which I'm describing here. Sometimes when the detox starts, we yawn. So that is a reaction, automatic one. Good. But it has to stop. So in velo, there will be a moment you yawn once, twice, and that's it, and it's cleansed, you move past. Now the second part that I want to emphasize or mention here, because when I am talking to a person directly, in a session, I can see and feel and ask questions and elaborate. Here, I have to bring to all of you the information that I think will be helpful in your case. I've seen a few people, but still I think it's a decent amount for me to bring it here. Relevant, that is, some people, when they are detoxing their energies, cleansing, they kind of get a habit of doing it. So they just start the procedure and they yawn almost as if they are conditioned to have that reaction when they work with energy. Some people, that's more rare, but also happens. Some people, for some type of energy work, they burp. Others, they keep blinking their eyes. So these are bad habits, conditionings, because it happened once. Perhaps it happened a few times because it was really happening. And then the person gets used and connect with that and keeps bringing that type of energy there. So you check. It comes spontaneously. Do you need it? Or you just feel like you can't stop it. When the yawning is related with the energy work, each yawning produces a change in your energy field. And you will yawn 3, 4, 5 times, 6, 7, hardly will be more than that. And then it goes away. It goes away completely. You do not need to yawn. You don't even think of it. Your energy changes. If this is not happening, then you may be into this conditioning, habit, situation. And that is a bad thing because you end up holding yourself into that level. You do not allow your energies to change the regimen, the condition they are, and you do not explore all of the different angles of the energetic phenomena you are experiencing. So you try to check which of the two, but sometimes yawning at the beginning of a practice, it may be possible and more common to some people. Never ever should be every time. If it's every time, either it's a conditioning or something is wrong around. What the heck? Every time I have to do detox and cleansing? If you do, for example, very early in the morning, still you have to do that. We should wake up without interferences. Now, if you came back from work, well, that's more explainable because you came back from work, you saw so many people. Sometimes there are residue of their energies on ours, and then that's a way of releasing them. But again, for a period of time, shortly, and then it's gone.